If you're interested in becoming a member of the channel, click the join button below my videos. If you're an iOS user, click the link in the info box and you'll be able to sign up from there. Hey guys, this is Evie. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you my Halloween 2018 nail design. But first, if you guys follow me on Instagram or saw my post on community tab, you guys know that I was featured on the reel. It was Wednesday's episode, and here is the clip.
The hottest trends. We'll vote them bomb or busted.
Let's look at this one, the next trend. Liquid nails. Yes, I said it. As a lover of all things nails.
Oh my God.
I love when folks get creative. Hold on, wait for it. A woman named Evelyn went viral because she has a full aquarium manicure, complete with water and a starfish, y'all.
Hey.
She does her own nails, self-taught. It really looks like she has a snow globe in her nails with all the glitter, right? You can definitely see the air bubble even inside.
I think it's bomb.
That's bomb.
But I actually do like the liquid nails.
Yeah.
You know, kind of like a snow globe, you know?
Yeah.
I mean, it could act as a little stress reliever.
Okay, well,
Thanks, Tamara girl. So yeah, I am super excited, and I know this would have been possible without you guys. They wouldn't even known about me, so thank you guys so much. All right, so yeah, for the nail tutorial, so I will be using Lawn Care Pretty Nails clear acrylic along with these colored acrylics from Mia's Secret, and I'll leave links to everything that I use down below. So I've already removed my previous nail design and filed them down very thinly, and now I'm just going in with the orange acrylic, and I'm doing like a little ombre with it, but I am keeping this super thin because we already have a base of a nail here, so I don't want this too thick. So yeah, I'm basically just using this orange acrylic as a paint, you know, kind of just doing like a wash over the tip of it. And as you guys can see, I put the bead down and then I kind of brush it backwards, and that is just to create a very soft transition between, you know, my clear nail bed area and then the colorful tip. So yeah guys, I am just over the moon. I cannot believe I was featured on national television. Like, that is crazy. So yeah, it was just the way everything happened. It was just out the blue. Like, I received an email from their team and they were like, hey, we're thinking about featuring you on the show and stuff, and I'm like, what? So yeah, I was very excited, and they didn't let me know that I was going to actually be featured on the show until the night before. So I couldn't even sleep that night. Like, it's crazy. So yeah, I am just so excited, and I just want to thank you all, because if it wasn't for you guys, I wouldn't have been on the radar. Hey. So after I get the orange laid the way that I like, and I like how the ombre looks, I'm just going to encapsulate this with a thin layer of clear acrylic. Next, I'm going to go in with this Love Jazzery black gel polish, and I'm just going to paint my ring fingernail and my middle fingernail black. And then I did a second coat and curing after that as well. Alright, so now I'm taking this Poochie's Nails gel paint in the color black, and I'm going to use a detail brush, and I'm going to use this to create my spider web. I can really tell that I'm getting better with my freehand because I'm able to make very thin lines now. Before, I wasn't able to really hold my hand steady. So yeah, practice definitely makes perfect. And I just repeat the same thing for the index fingernail. As you can see here, I don't really like how the web lines are here, so I'm gonna go ahead and wipe this off and do it again. And that's the beauty with gel. I just love that I'm able to, really do my designs, not having to worry about messing up, because if I do, I can just wipe it off and do it again. So once I have it the way that I like, I'm just gonna go ahead and cure this in my LED lamp for 60 seconds. Alright, so after curing the spider web, I'm going in with my 3D art, and I'm just going to use those Mia Secret colors to create my pumpkin and vine and leaves and all that good stuff. So the pumpkin's mouth was a little difficult for me to do on camera. If some of you guys don't know, filming your nails on camera is really difficult because you're not able to move your hand the way that you want. Like, you have to keep them in focus of the camera. So I wasn't able to do the mouth on camera because it was just, I kept messing up. So this is how it turned out. And I did the mouth with the black acrylic, just like I did the eyes. And then I drew in the buck teeth with some white gel polish. So now I'm going in with the Poochie's Nails Super Shine Gel Top Coat. And I'm going to apply this to all of the nails. So as for the 3D pumpkin nail, I'm just applying the gel top coat to the nail and not to the 3D art. So I'm just working that brush around it, and then I take a smaller brush just to make sure I can get the gel polish all around the vines and the leaves without actually touching them. Because as you guys know, I like to keep my 3D art dry because I just think it looks better. So once I have the top coat all applied, I went ahead and cured that in my LED lamp for 60 seconds. I wait for my nails to cool down a bit, and then I apply my cuticle oil. And this is the finished look. I really like how these came out. At first I didn't like the pumpkin face, but it's growing on me. I think it's cute. Be on the lookout for more Halloween nail art because your girl is just getting started. I hope you guys enjoyed this nail tutorial. Head over to lawncareprettynails.com and check out the shop. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share, and I will talk to you in my next one.